Are you looking for a budget CPUS? In this video, I will show you the 5 best budget CPUS based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. The AMD Ryzen 3 3200G is a desktop processor with 4 cores, launched in July 2019. It is part of the Ryzen 3 lineup, using the Zen Plus architecture with socket AM4. Ryzen 3 3200G has 4 MB of L3 cache and operates at 3.6 GHz by default, but can boost up to 4 GHz, depending on the workload. AMD is building the Ryzen 3 3200G on a 12nm production process using 49 million transistors. The silicon die of the chip is not fabricated at AMD, but at the foundry of GlobalFoundries. You may freely adjust the unlocked multiplier on Ryzen 3 3200G, which simplifies overclocking greatly, as you can easily dial in any overclocking frequency. The 4th product on the list is the Intel Core i5-7500. If you bought your computer more than a handful of years ago, you're missing more than you know on compromised gaming, while you stream, chat and share with your community stunning visuals of 4K HDR premium content transport into a great VR experience. With premium performance and new and enhanced features, a desktop computer based on an 7th Gen Intel Core processor is always ready for real-life productivity, creativity and entertainment. With a range of smart, stylish designs and sizes, there is a 7th Gen Intel Core desktop-powered computer to fit a wide range of budgets and needs. The 3rd product on the list is the Intel Core i5-10400. The Core i5-10400 2.9 GHz 6-core LGA 1200 processor from Intel has a base clock speed of 2.9 GHz and comes with features such as Intel Optane memory support, Intel BootGuard, Intel VTD virtualization technology for directed I/O, and Intel hyper-threading technology. With Intel Turbo Boost 2.0, the maximum turbo frequency this processor can achieve is 4.3 GHz. Additionally, this processor features 6 cores with 12 threads in an LGA 1200 socket, has 12 MB of cache memory, and 16 PCIe 3.0 lanes. Having 6 cores allows the processor to run multiple programs simultaneously without slowing down the system, while the 12 threads allow a basic ordered sequence of instructions to be passed through or processed by a single CPU core. This processor also supports 128 GB of dual-channel 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM and utilizes 10th generation technology. The 2nd product on the list is the AMD Ryzen 5 1600. Overclocking AMD processors, including without limitation, altering clock frequencies/multipliers or memory timing/voltage, to operate beyond their stock specifications will void any applicable AMD product warranty, even when such overclocking is enabled via AMD hardware and/or software. This may also void warranties offered by the system manufacturer or retailer. Users assume all risks and liabilities that may arise out of overclocking AMD processors, including, without limitation, failure of or damage to hardware, reduced system performance and/or data loss, corruption, or vulnerability. RZN6. AMD Ryzen VR-ready premium processors are select AMD Ryzen processors that meet or exceed the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive recommended specifications for processors. The 1st product on the list is the Intel Core i5-11600K. The improved productivity of the 11th Gen Intel Core processors will help you get your work done fast and back in the game in no time. 11th Gen Intel Core i5-11600K unlocked desktop processor. Featuring PCIe Gen 4.0 support, unlocked 11th Gen Intel Core desktop processors are optimized for productivity, gaming, and overclocking. Thermal solution not included in the box. Compatible with 500 series and select 400 series chipset-based motherboards. Refer to motherboard vendor for compatibility details. 125W. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.